Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. So today in agricultural science, we are going to be looking at ornamental plants. We are going to be looking at ornamental plants. We'll start with knowing the meaning of ornamental plants, the types of ornamental plants we have, how to grow ornamental plants, how to take care of them, okay? That is what we are going to be learning in today's video. Are we ready to go on? Okay, let's move on to knowing the meaning of ornamental plants. Ornamental plants are plants that are grown primarily for their aesthetic appeal and decorative quality. They are often used to enhance the beauties of garden, landscape, and indoor space. They are beautiful plants that are planted to appeal the eyes, to make everywhere beautiful. That is what we mean by ornamental plants. Okay? You understand what ornamental plants is, right? Ornamental plants are plants that are grown primarily for beauty, for decorative purpose. They often bring out the beauty of a garden, the landscape, indoor spaces. They bring out the beauty. So ornamental plants are beautiful plants that are planted to decorate a place. Okay? Did you understand that now? We have types of ornamental plants. We are going to be looking at the types of ornamental plants we have. We have the sunflower. The sunflowers are tall and impressive plants that you can start from seed. You can plant them from seed. They are not only visual appealing, but also a great way to teach children about plant growth. So the sunflower is not just appealing to the eyes, it's also a way of teaching you how to grow a plant. You can start planting the sunflower from seed. Okay? So we know this as the sunflower, right? This is called the sunflower. It's a type of ornamental plant. Remember, ornamental plants are plants that are pleasing to the eyes. They make the environment beautiful. And sunflower definitely make the environment beautiful. It makes your garden beautiful. Then we have the marigold. The marigold come in various colors and are easy to grow from seed. They are also easy to plant from seed also. They are perfect for introducing students to annual flowers. If you want to plant annual flowers, this is the perfect flower. It is called marigold. Like we said, it comes with various colors. We have this, but it looks the same like the flower. We have the yellow, which look also the same like this. We have this. So it comes in different colors, okay? That is the marigold. We have the lavender. The lavender has beautiful purple spikes of flowers and a lovely fragrance. This is the lavender. It has a lovely fragrance. It scents nice. Okay? We have the tulips. Tulips come in various colors and shapes. These are the tulips. They are beautiful, right? All the flowers we just talked about, they are really pretty, right? Yes. So these flowers are planted to make the environment look good, to make your garden look beautiful. So these are called the tulips, and they come in various shapes and colors. As you can see, it's very beautiful, right? It has different colors, so it's very pretty. We have the pansy. The pansies have a wide range of colors and distinctive faces. They can be grown from seeds or purchased as seedlings. You can either grow them from seed or purchase them as seedlings when they are small. So these are the pansies. They have different colors, right? And they are very beautiful. It will make your garden pretty and it will make the environment pretty, right? Then we have the zinnia. The zinnias come in various bright colors and are relatively easy to grow from seeds. They provide a pop of colors in the garden. These are the zinnias. They are beautiful, right? That's why they are all called ornamental flowers, because they make everywhere pretty. Your garden, the environment. So the zinnia is also easy to grow from seedling. It is also easy to grow from seedling. Then we have the roses. The roses are universally loved for their beauty and fragrance. There are various varieties of rose that can be cultivated. There are also different colors and different types of roses that can be cultivated. So all these we just mentioned are ornamental plants, okay? They are pretty, right? That's why ornamental plants are used for, they are planted for decorating the garden, the landscape, our environment. How do we grow ornamental plants? First of all, you select the right plant. You choose a plant that is easy to grow in your suitable region. Wherever you are, you have to choose a plant that can grow in your region, in your area, because most plants doesn't grow everywhere. Even if they grow, they might not look healthy. So you have to choose the correct plant that will be suitable in your area, okay? Then you gather supplies, gather seeds of young plants, soil, a container or a garden plot, where water and sunlight. You need the containers, garden plots, anywhere you want to plant your ornamental plants, you need that place. And you also need water for the soil. And you also need sunlight so that the plant can get enough nutrients to grow, okay? Prepare the soil for a garden. Loosen the soil for a container. Use plotting soil with drainage hole, okay? If you are using a container, you make sure the container has hole and you use a plotting soil so that it will help drain the excess water and hold the right amount of water. Then we have plant seeds or young plants. Follow package instructions for depth and space. When you get the seed, you follow the instruction that is on the pack, or when you get the young plant, you follow the instruction there so that you know the right amount of depth you are meant to go, meaning how deep you should dig the soil of your garden or the container, and the spacing, how it should be spaced, okay? Then water wisely. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Don't overwater. You don't overwater, but you make sure that the soil is moist, okay? It has enough water and it's not hard, it's soft. Do we understand that? These are how to grow ornamental plants. Now let's see, how do we take care of our ornamental plants? Okay, we also have some here. Provide sunlight. How to grow ornamental plant? You make sure that wherever you're planting, sun can reach that area, the right amount of sun for that plant. You make sure that the plant gets enough sun. So you make sure that the place you are using has enough sunlight reaching there. Weed control. Remove any competing weeds gently. When weeds start growing in the garden or in the container, you pick them out gently. You observe, regularly check and document the plant growth, from how it grows from small to big, then like that. You write down your experience. Fertilize. You use slow release fertilizer as directed on the package. Depending on the fertilizer on the package you got, the seedling plant, you use that direction to fertilize your soil if need be. Okay, do we understand that? Then protection. Protect from extreme weather or pests with stakes or barriers. Make sure that you protect your farm, you protect your garden, you protect your container. Okay, good. So we have, how do we care for ornamental plants? How do we care for the ornamental plant? We water them properly. When we finish planting, we water them properly. Keep the soil consistently moist, not too dry or waterlogged, not excess water, but the water should be of the right amount. Okay, you can use a water keg, okay, or a hose to water, and it should be of small holes so that the water will not overpour. Do we understand that? Provide sunlight. Place the plant where it gets right amount of sunlight. Plants need sunlight to grow. Plants need sunlight to grow, in as much as they need water also, the right amount of water. They also need sunlight to grow. So you make sure that you place the plant where it will get the right amount of sun. Weed control. Remove competing weed gently. We said that when weeds start growing in your garden, in your containers, you remove them gently. If need be, you apply fertilizer as directed on the package of the plant. Protect from pests. Safeguard your plants from pests and diseases. These are how you care for your ornamental plants. You trim if need be. Cut back overgrown or dead plants, dead parts of the plant, parts that are dead, you cut them off. If they have overgrown, you trim them. Okay, if need be, you do all that. Then you enjoy and share. Enjoy the plant's view. Enjoy the beauty of the plant and share it with others. Okay? Do we understand today's lesson on ornamental plants? We said ornamental plants are plants that are planted for beauty purpose. In your gardens, you plant them for beauty, to look very appealing to the eyes. We said all that, right? We mentioned types of plants also, right? And we saw some pictures of types of plants. Then we talked about how to grow a plant. How to grow an ornamental plant. We did that, right? You pick the right seed for your region. Gradual process. You make sure you do all that if you want to care for your ornamental plants. If after this lesson you want to have a little garden, you make sure you follow these steps of how to care for ornamental plants. Okay, they will really help you in your garden and it will give you a great view. Do we understand today's lesson? We also talked about care for ornamental plants, how to care for them, water properly, provide sunlight. We talk about all those things. Trim if need be. Okay, so we now know everything about ornamental plants, right? Good. So we are going to be doing our assignment. Okay, you have to just tell the meaning of ornamental plants. It's easy, right? That is number 1. And number 2, draw 3 of your favorite ornamental plants. You have to draw 3 of your favorite ornamental plants which you just learned today. We are going to be able to draw the ornamental plants we love most, right? Good. So this is your assignment for this lesson, and I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and you find it very nice. Okay, good.